So what you're seeing right now is what we call the leads hub. Okay, this is actually one of our old products because it literally just shows you the list of all the leads. We also have a place that documents all the conversations in the past for whoever's using WhatsApp or using emails. This could be a pain if, let's say, there are not only 7, but 70 or 700. And this is very common if anybody who's running an ads on Instagram or Facebook, they would just put their WhatsApp link there and the inbounds could just go skyrocketed over time. So if you're using a traditional CRM, your leads would be like exploding. And then what really inspired me was Claude, because we run our entire startup on Notion, GitHub, linear tickets, Slack, and also Claude. As a founder and CEO, all I had to do is that I literally just turn on Claude and ask it what is going on in my startup. What have my engineers committed in the past couple of days? With that, we created this right-hand side bar called Business Manager. You might think, why is there just another chat? Let me show you how it's interweaved in this ecosystem right now. Lucy has one of the highest total value for this lead, right? And we were going to close this deal. So I might just be wondering, hey, how was the previous conversation with Lucy? Cool. And then I can click on Lucy's thread. It just turned on for me. And I can see the last message was about see you on Monday, kickoff at 10 a.m. works. Let's say that never worked, right? And I draft a new message saying send a follow-up message to book a time on Tuesday with Lucy. And then it drafted the message for me and I'm just gonna say yes, let's send it. Cool. So a follow-up message has been sent to Lucy via WhatsApp, all right? And the whole WhatsApp system was connected through our AI features where you can train your own agents and then test it right here. If you want to understand a bit more about the agent building process, you can watch my previous videos. And since we mentioned Claude, you might be wondering, okay, Claude can pull in things from the outside. Can we do that too? The answer is yes. Out of most of the business we spoke with, very little of them are actually using a CRM, but some of them actually do if they are a more sizable company, right? What if they are using a CRM? What we do provide is that you can sync your CRM. Currently, we have HubSpot connected, and I can just ask my business manager, what leads are there in my HubSpot CRM? Okay, it read my CRM. Let me just turn on my HubSpot, and that's literally the 5 leads here, okay, in my HubSpot. Can we pull Calvin and Palmar in, because we might want to sync either the entire previous customer list or just the customers that really want, so that we can enable these leads with our memory system and the business manager. Oh, you can see Kevin is already here, Palmar's here, and then we can continue to manage this lead over here. So what do you think? This product is an extension to the previous WhatsApp messaging leads management tool that we built. Now we're all in on building the memory system and a second brain for the business owners in consultative agencies and service industries. This will continue to evolve over time, and we'd love to hear your feedback and work on this together. Thanks for your attention.